Good day, guys. Want your music to reach over 77 million daily players? In this year, Roblox isn't just a game, it's a massive music discovery platform. If a popular developer uses your track in their experience, you can go viral overnight. Today, I'm showing you the direct sync method to get your music into the Roblox library using DistroKid. So the first thing you want to do is start a new upload in your DistroKid dashboard. Then just scroll down to the stores section and make sure you check the box for Roblox. Now the setup. If your music is already live, go to your album page and click Add to More Stores. Select Roblox from the list. DistroKid will then send your song to Roblox for their internal moderation team to review. Pro tip. This is a curated store, so opting in doesn't guarantee a live placement, but it's the only way to get your foot in the door. Okay, and also before you submit and hit send, you must meet 3 strict rules. Firstly, 100% ownership. You must own all publishing rights. No pros. You cannot be registered with ASCAP or BMI for the specific tracks you send to Roblox. Number 3. No explicit content. Roblox is a family platform. If your song has a parental advisory tag, it will be rejected instantly. Keep it clean for the best chance of being accepted into the Creator Store. And after this, your music is ready for the virtual stage. If this distribution guide helped you today, smash like and subscribe.